How to start investing with three. Starting your investment journey with as little as $3 may seem modest, but it's an important step toward building your financial future. The key is to embrace consistency and make informed decisions, regardless of the initial amount. First, begin by setting a clear goal. Are you saving for a specific purpose, like education, a gadget, or simply to grow your wealth over time? Knowing your goal will help you select the right investment avenue. Next, focus on building financial discipline. Even a small sum, invested regularly, can accumulate into a significant corpus over the years, thanks to the power of compounding. Consider opening a recurring deposit at your bank, where you can invest $3 each month and earn steady interest with minimal risk. Alternatively, explore mutual funds, especially those that allow investments through systematic investment plans, or SIPs, starting at just $3 per month. Mutual funds pool money from various investors and invest in a diversified portfolio managed by professionals. For beginners, index funds or balanced funds can offer a good mix of growth and stability. If you're comfortable with some risk and wish to explore the stock market, many modern investment platforms allow you to purchase fractional shares or invest small amounts via direct equity. However, it's crucial to research companies and avoid putting all your money into a single stock. Don't forget to monitor your investments regularly, review your goals, and increase your contributions as your income grows. Most importantly, educate yourself. Read books, follow financial experts, and stay updated on market trends. Starting early, even with a small amount like $3, sets the foundation for a habit that can transform your financial life. Remember, successful investing is less about the amount and more about consistency, learning, and patience over time. Thank you for watching.